Good afternoon, everyone. This is Tiffany again from Johnson Fam TV. I am holding the camera per Desiree Johnson's request, and we have a special video we're going to do today, a Father's Day edition. So let's get started. Here we go.
So whoever is the father of me, and this is my father, and show them what I gave you.
So I received a blue fidget spinner for Father's Day as a Father's Day gift. So is this the best Father's Day gift ever from my daughter?
And we decided if we have two fidget spinner person, we think about if we could have a fidget spinner challenge. Yep.
So what's the challenge?
So first, this is for everybody to listen to. So if you're the only one, tell whoever's not watching it, tell them to come watch it. So we will give you a minute to tell your parents to come watch this video, okay? So we're waiting and waiting and waiting. We're giving you 10 seconds, and it's going to be on my fingers. Okay, let's start doing it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, your 10 seconds, so let's get started. So right now we're going to do.
What's the first challenge?
We're going to see if we can flip it over from our fingers. So let's do it.
Challenge 1. Flip the fidget spinner with your thumb. Who can do it? Looks like Desi got it. Looks like Daddy's struggling a little bit. No, he got it.
Oh, it's supposed to be thumbs? Oh, sorry.
It could be any finger.
Oh, any finger?
I did it.
Okay, challenge number 2.
Yeah,
What's next?
So the next challenge is you want to tell it?
The next challenge, we're going to see whose fidget spinner can spin the longest. All right, you got challenge 1. I got challenge 2.
Okay.
This is the last challenge.
The third challenge, which is the last one, is to see who fidget spinner stops the quickest.
All right, ready, set, go.
It looks like.
Oh, you got it.
So 1 point for Daddy and 2 points for me. So I decided I made another 4th challenge for both of us.
Okay, what is the 4th challenge?
So we're going to try to spin it on our knees.
Oh.
Okay? Ready, set, go.
Oh, was this a bonus challenge?
Yes. Well, cool.
So guys, if we have any comments, we will do another fidget spinner challenge.
And if you have a fidget spinner, leave a comment below and tell us what kind of fidget spinner do you have? Do you have?
And what color fidget spinner do you have?
Yes.
And also, where did you get it from?
Yes. Well, that does it, right?
Well, if we have any comments, we will do another one. And any subscribers, we'll do another one. Any thumbs up, thumbs down. We don't care. So, we'll still do another fidget spinner challenge someday.
So that we're gonna still do one if they give a thumbs up or a thumbs down. It's like it doesn't matter what they do. We're gonna still do one.
I'm
that
just
what
going
you
to fidget spin it on my head.
Well, y'all leave a comment, leave a like.
On my nose.
This is a Father's Day edition of Johnson Fam TV. To all you fathers out there, happy Father's Day from us to you. Tune in next time.
And bye.